Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fish's Story with Armand. In this episode, me and a couple of my friends are heading out about 40 miles out, somewhere between 20 to 40, just to catch some red snapper and kingfish. So without any further ado, let's get going. ولی دنیا پر نوحقن اهمک بد دیدم هیچ که خوشی ندی لیلا لیلا لا 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 لیلا 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 لا 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 لیلا لا لیلا لیلا لا 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 لیلا لا لیلا لیلا لا ناصریا از عشق دنیا غبار کن به هر چه رنگن تو خار کن. One of the most beautiful scenes. Look at these dolphins running around. Woohoo! That's beautiful. Come on, another jump. Give me one. There you go. Let's go. ناصریا از عشق دنیا مبارک. So we're about 29 miles out and I'll be trolling for a good 25-30 minutes, and I'm actually trolling on Yuzuri. It's a blue color, so I'm kind of hoping I can catch a king. The water is not as good as I thought it's gonna be, but we're gonna continue trolling and see what happens. But hey, I think I caught something. Oh shoot, yeah. Hold up, let me see, is this real? Give me a sec. Oh yeah, it is. There you go. There you go. There you go. I thought, is that a king? Is that a king? Come on. Let's see. Come on. Come on, king. Come on, king. That's what we're here for. We've been looking for a king all day. Come on, let's see. It's on the water. Oh my god. It's a barracuda. Man. Well, hey, it's better than nothing. At least I'm not a skunk, right? Look at this thing. Woohoo. It's a baby barracuda. But oh well. We're gonna let this baby go, but let me see if I can take a picture of this thing or show this in a nice way where you can see the whole body of this fish. There we go, we got it. We got a full picture. Alright. Not bad. I don't really like barracuda meat. I've seen people eating them, but hey, I'm just gonna release it. It's a little baby anyway. So bye bye baby. We'll catch you later. Alright. So move on to the next spot. We've been trolling around for a while now, so it doesn't seem like I'm gonna catch anything over here. So let's go to the next spot. See you guys over there. So we just got to the new spot, so I'm thinking to start deep dropping because I had a lot of luck over here catching stripe, the lane snapper and vermilion snapper. So we'll see what we're gonna catch over here. I got something on the line, so let's see what it is. I'm hoping is vermilion snapper, one of the best eating fish I ever had. So we'll see. I'm gonna it's a small fight. It's a small fight, just like vermilion snapper. Let's hope that's the case. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Ah, my God. It's all good. Got a little blue runner. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. There you go. Uh-oh. You ain't gonna go anywhere. You ain't gonna go anywhere. Oh, no! No! That was a rookie mistake. Oh my God, that was my first fish of the day. I just dropped it. It's all good. We're just gonna drop it again. Hopefully I'll be able to catch something different or anything. Something to show for. So far, so I caught... Oh, there you go. I caught something else. So far I caught a barracuda. I got a little blue runner. One of them was released by me and the other one just jumped out of my hand. So let's see. What is this? Hopefully this is something different. I mean, it seems like we're catching all kind of fish today. But we'll see. Oh my God, this time I actually doubled up on blue runner. Look, let me see if I can show you this. Hold on, let me see. There you go. Uh-oh. Let me see if I can get this thing to work for you guys. There you go. Alright, there you go. Look at these suckers. One of them is pretty good size and the other one is a smaller size a little bit. But look at this thing. Oh my God, this thing is huge for a blue runner. Oh boy. Come on, calm down. Calm down, buddy. Just want to show you to the friends and free you in your cooler. Let's see. There you go. Alright, now you're going to the cooler. Alright, and on to the second one. This camera turns off, so oh well. I think I'm just gonna show you the next one on the 360 up front. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can unhook this one. Alright, got it. There you go. There you go, guys. And here's the second one. Gotta wash these hands. Come on. Salt water. At this point, I'm just thinking I'm gonna be constantly catching blue runners. So we'll see. No, this is not actually a blue runner. Hold up, is this a jack? Yeah, this is a jack. We're really catching all kind of fish today, huh? Barracuda, blue runner, this is a jack. So, except the fishes that I want. I'm catching everything else in the ocean. Alright, let me unhook this one and I show this one to you guys. Even though it's a little baby. But hey. There you go. Little Jack. We're gonna let you go too, buddy. Go grow up. There you go. And this is a nice blue runner. Been doubling up recently. What's up with this? I moved a little bit, but this time around I hooked on something that it fights different. So I'm hoping this is a different fish. Let's see what it is. Boy, come on, get up here already. Taking forever. Oh my god. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I see colors. Oh, it's a snapper. It's a reddish snapper. It's a pan size snapper. Let's see. I hope it's a good one. Let's see. There you go. This thing is about, I would say it's about 19 inches. There you go. I'm gonna keep this one. We're gonna need some fried fish. There you go. We thought it, the tail is gone, but hey, it's still 19 inches fish. Gonna go in the cooler, buddy. Bye bye. But this one feels a little bit lighter though. So it might be a smaller snapper. Let's see. Hey, you know what? At this point I caught some there you go. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a baby snapper. Let's see. Let me measure this thing. It's about 14 inches. So we're just gonna dehook this one and throw it back in the water. It's gotta go in the water. It's too small.
Somebody hit the panic button or something. Put channel 16. Huh? They haven't said anything. They've been looking for somebody. Put it on channel 16, see if they talk to us. Yeah. Ah, see, I had a feeling. I'm trying to get to 16. Hello? This is Army. Yeah, it is on. Hey, this is Army. Khalili? I'm okay. I don't know what exactly happened. I'm trying to turn it off right now. No, it was for me. But this shit went on for some reason. I don't know why.
It got wet.
But it's not supposed to get wet. It's not supposed to, I guess, connect until the antenna is on, right?
No. No, just you gotta flip the thing and it hit the button. If it gets submerged in water and a lot of water hits it,
Oh,
it'll go off.
shit.
Yeah, that's the same thing that happened if you jumped in the fucking water.
Hey, hey.
Hey, does your wife have access to the phone number?
No.
I'll send you that. Hey man, my tax dollar just wasted on you. I know, man.
All of these taxes have been paid. Shit, the least they can do is come and look for me.
Hey, if they keep them all the way out there, that means they've been going off for a while.
I told them I don't know what happened. I'm okay. They're like, yo, that's fine. It's okay. We're about to head back out. It seems like you're okay. Fucking Armand. Hey, actually, Nick was telling me when that happened to him. It has something to do with me. Shit.
Bro, you need to put that on a Ziploc bag next time. Put it in a pocket.
Yeah, that's what I need to do. So anyway, I gotta set another one up. We're gonna stay here for a bit, right? Or are we getting ready to leave?
Well, he's got to get one more. Once he gets his one, he'll probably hit it in 13.
Oh. So, my beeper got wet and went off. chopper came to get me. Not funny. They're probably gonna send me a bill. Probably call my wife too and everything. God damn. Man, imagine we're so far away from the fucking I can't even you know. She's gonna freak the fuck out, like I said. So I guess this is the last piece of the video for today. I'm not sure if you noticed or not, but hopefully there is a recording where I can show you what exactly happened. For some reason, I think my beeper got submerged in water or it got wet for some reason, and I got actually we're about 40 miles out, and a chopper came right around us, and he was making a circle for about good 5 minutes until I put my radio on channel 16 and found out that apparently my beeper went off and they've been looking for me. They thought that I was in the water. So I'm just packing up, heading back to the state water where I can make phone calls to the family and let them know I'm okay. But good thing about it is, again, learning from this video, number one, I gotta put that beeper in a Ziploc so it doesn't get wet, and also now I learned that they're gonna come looking for you once you have that beeper on you. So if for your safety, make sure you go ahead and go to Amazon and buy this beeper. Again, a chopper showed up just to rescue me, so think about it. Stay safe, y'all. That was the end of the video, and we'll see you on the next story with Armin. Peace.
کسی به چشم نمیاد از همه مهمتری، تو بیارایشم حتی از همه تو چشتری، دور همه به غیر من خط بکش سری، قول دادیم بدون هم حتی تو بهش نریم. یه شبی میسازم برات که آدم و حسودت بشن، یه جوری میگردم دور تو که همه از دورت برن. عشقتم عشق منی، ما چقدر شفته همین، تو قشنگ بلدی ازم دل ببری. منو نگاه کن ببین خودمو به آب و آتیش میزنم برا تو، میخوام چشمو چی کار اگه نبینم اون خنده ها تو.